Welcome back everyone. I'm Ms. Nicole and this is Mango. We're at the farm today. Mango wants to meet all the animals. Follow Mango. Wait. Where did Mango go? Can you find him? Silly Mango. Mango sees a cow. Can you say cow? Mango sees a pig. Can you say pig? Mango sees a horse. Can you say horse? Mango sees a duck. Can you say duck? Mango sees a sheep. Can you say sheep? Mango sees a donkey. Can you say donkey? Mango sees a goat. Can you say goat? Mango sees chickens. Can you say chicken? What does Mango see? How many animals can you name? What does Mango see? Can you name them all? Wow! Excellent job today! You just learned 8 animal names. We hope you enjoyed our trip to the farm. If you like learning with Mango, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time!